starting this video off with a new sponsor alert. That's right, boys. We now have LED headlights. They have a ton of different variants on their website, so I'm gonna make sure I leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out. But what I opted for to start off with is I got the high and low beam for my CB7 Accord, as well as I got the the Civics have one bulb for high and low, and I got that for the H2B, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna be testing out first. So really cool company. They hit me up, asked me about trying their product. Of course, I could use them in a lot of our stuff, so that's what I opted to start with first. But yeah, guys, hopefully by the time this video drops, I will have a discount code and everything. So links should all be in the description for you that might be looking into LED lighting and upgrading your car's appearance in the front, as well as seeing better at night. All right, I want to apologize for the rain falling, but I got the lights off in the shop, and I'm just showing you what the stock bulbs are looking like. Just your regular halogen bulbs. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is stick one in and see if we can see a difference side to side from that. There's really nothing to doing this, so if you're thinking about trying to change your bulbs out, you've never done anything to your car, it's really simple. It's basically one plug, and on Civics, you have this little, it's like a spring-loaded bracket thingy, and you have to take that out. And basically, if I can show it to you guys, so basically all you have to do is, like, on this corner, push down and pull up, and it'll release that spring. I don't know if I can show it to y'all, but you might can see it. It's like a spring that folds back. See that little metal thing right there? That folds back, and that'll clear to where you can pull the bulb right out, just like so. So I got it clipped back in place, and then this other end here, you just need to plug up to the factory wiring. And now we gotta do is put a few zip ties on it to keep everything still, and we got one side in, so let's turn it on and see what we got. New bulb is on. Man, that shit is bright. That shit is bright, guys. Look at the difference. Like, that's bright. And that's on dim. Y'all see that? Jesus, that's bright. Wow. Look at the difference on camera. Like, you can see all the lighting is messing with the phone. look at how bright this shit is. Like, this is crazy. see anything, but yeah, that was a brand new rack when I first put this H2B in. If you watch those videos, you know. And I don't understand why it's acting up just randomly all of a sudden. It just makes no sense. But yeah, what I want to do, I'm gonna try to get these wheels off, and I want to disconnect both outer tie rods just to see if maybe it's in the tires or is it actually just the steering box itself, which I'm pretty damn sure it's gonna be that steering box. Definitely not in this. Let's rotate. Like the inner tie rods are feeling locked up yeah. There's definitely something that's causing like a real, cause this should not be that tough to rotate. So it's gotta be in that rack, boys. Which I had a feeling, man, cause that thing was the cheapest one I could find on eBay. Guys, I'm still trying to research this thing because I don't know why. I just feel like with this manual setup, it should be a way to like add grease in the boots or something, because it's when you buy it, it comes already put together, and you're supposed to just be able to put it in like it's got the boots on and everything is all like tied down and whatnot. So I just feel like it should be a way to like re-grease them. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna just throw this thing back together and see if I can't go ahead and order a new rack. The one that I have came from eBay, which I did hit them up and they said that they would warrant it out, but I'm confused on, they want the old one back, but I'm trying to figure out if they want me to send them the old one first and then they'll send me a new one, or are they gonna send me the new one? And it's hard to get in touch with them, and I don't feel like dealing with it. So what I think I'm gonna end up doing is going with a Rock Auto replacement. I think that'll be a lot better, and you know, their quality is a lot better than a lot of the stuff that eBay sells. I know that those that watch my stuff, you probably, I don't know if you get tired of seeing me have to work on shit or not, but this is just a part of it, guys. If you build your car and you drive the shit out of it like I do, something's gonna happen. And dealing with a rack is a whole lot easier than dealing with like something else that could have broke. So I'm not too mad at the car, but it does suck because I did do it last May when I first swapped the car. So it just sucks that it's messed up already. It's only been like a year and a half, but I guess cheap parts sometimes don't always, you know, better your outcome. So that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Like, share, subscribe, and I want to say I really appreciate the ones that have entered to win this turbo. You have a really good chance. It's only a handful of people that have sent in their $10 to try to get it. So you guys have a really good chance of winning. No, this will not be my only giveaway. They will get better and better as I grow. That being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Like, share, subscribe. I will catch you on the next one. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.